Hi, these are the TinyChange Weekly Work Planner. There are 4 cover options for this planner. This is cover option number 1. This is option number 2. This is option number 3. And this one is option number 4. Right, so these are the 4 covers available. The content inside all the 4 planners are exactly the same. It's just the covers are different. So we will take one of the planner and then try to understand the inside pages in more detail. So let's keep the other ones aside. So this is an A5 sized planner and it has a Viro binding on the left side so that it can be opened 360 degrees. This has a flexible but strong and durable cover. This is the back side of it. And let's open the planner and see what's inside. It starts with a coloring page. All I need is to take the next tiny step. You can color this. Then the TinyChange Weekly Planner. This is where you write down your name, a message from the creators, 20 steps to achieve any goal, 40 key habits to elevate your life. And then you get into the actual planning pages, right? So your goal for the next 12 months and the habits you want to build or break in the next 12 months. So this is an undated planner, which means you can start using it at any point in time during the year and can use it for a minimum of 12 months or 52 weeks. So you will divide the goals and habits you want to build under the buckets of healthier, wealthier, happier, and wiser. These are the 4 key areas that we always focus on within TinyChange in all our products. A vision board, which is like a pictorial representation of your goals and aspirations and dreams. You can make pictures here, put cutouts and paste them, all of that, create your vision board. The key dates for you to remember, since it's undated, you can define the months that you're using it for and then accordingly note down all the key events and dates that you want to remember. Your ideal week design, how do you want your week to span out ideally? You may not be able to live every week accordingly, but it's like a template for you to refer back to. What you'd like to do Sunday evenings or Saturday mornings or etc. will all go here as a reference point for you to go back to at any point in time. Similarly, how should your ideal day be like? What should be a morning routine? Before you go to bed, what are things that you'd like to do? Or before you start your work or your study sessions, and when you close it, what are the things that you will always do? Then go here. There's a detailed explanation about how the monthly pages will work and how the weekly planning pages will work. And then you get into the month planning pages, right? As I mentioned earlier, this planner is for 12 months. So for the month planning pages will repeat every 12 months and the weekly planning pages also accordingly. We'll get into 1 month and try to understand that in detail. Each month starts with a master plan for the month. You set your goals and things for the month. There's an undated calendar. You will define the dates here and then note down the key things that you remember for each day, the appointments and all of that. There's a habits tracker here to help you track and build good habits and break unhealthy ones. You can note down all the to-do list that you have in your mind for the month will all go here under 4 buckets. You can define what the buckets are. Each one gets its own budget and expense tracker and a meals tracker, which is divided into 4 different weeks that you can plan to eat healthy. Now we come to the weekly and the daily planning pages. So this is a weekly planning spread. Each week starts with a different phrase that is unique for that week. Seize the day, my master plan, etc. Then you write down the month and the week that this week is for. And then for each day, you have so much planning space, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You also have a smart tracker for each day to track, right? Something, it can be your productivity, your mood, or your water consumption, or if there is anything else that you'll track every day, how much or how when they do it, right? You can track it out. You can customize to use it whichever way you want. So this is a very simple and clean planning spread. On the top, you have a quote, which also changes every week. So you do this for 5 weeks, and then you have the month end review, and then the next month starts, and this entire thing repeats again, right? Master plan for the month, the calendar, habit tracker, key tasks, budget, and expense tracker, meals tracker, and the weekly and the daily planning strategies. Then it goes to month 3. So this repeats for 52 weeks divided into 12 different months. That's how the planner is structured. And then at the end of the planner, you have the My Lists section. This is where you have things like your mood tracker, exercise tracker, inspiring quotes, things to buy this year, self-care ideas to try, things that uplift my mood, my stress management plan, people who inspire me, best compliments received, good things I did for others. All these things will go here. You have some blank pages too, and then you have some sticker pages. Some are gold foiled ones, and this is for you to help make the overall planning process a little bit more fun. And then you also have a pouch on the back side for you to keep some things, the two-way pouch. And that's it. So this is the TinyChange Weekly Work Planner series. As mentioned earlier, there are 4 different cover options. You can choose the one that most suits your style. And if you're looking at a very simple but functional planner for you, if you are starting into planning or you just want a simple solution, this may be a great choice for you. Thank you.